Stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing, guys, now. Guys, we are moving right down the road. We're going to be closed for about 30 days for a remodel. Our sales will be by appointment only over the phone, but I have the biggest deals. Guys, we are moving out and our other warehouse is full. If you're in the market for a hot tub, a swim spa, or an outdoor kitchen, I'm going to show you this. Guys, our prices are below cost because I have to move over 75 units. We're jam-packed. We have stuff outside. Guys, if you're in the market for a hot tub, brand new, metal frame, things like this, our Bronx hot tub, originally $21,499. We sold this in our retail store for $18,900. Right now, this one's about $9,000. We have marquees in stock. Originally $23,900, $13,900. Swim spas. We have 6 swim spas left that are outside that if I don't sell them, they're going to have to go outside. Swim spas, originally $21,000. Huge savings. We have swim spas that were $59,000. Let's take you over here. All parts in stock, fully warranted, financing available. Guys, this swim spa right here was $59,000. It's a dual zone swim spa. Originally $59,000. Now this one is $29,000. We have 2 left. This one originally right here was $49,000. We have 1 left in stock. Somebody that wants this one is on sale for, I believe, $25,000. You are never going to get a better deal. These are metal frame, fully loaded, digital display, Balboa, #1 acrylic, USA acrylic, all parts in stock. The swim spas are amazingly priced. I have to get rid of these. Everything is, let's show you this thing. Full exercise equipment, no crazy permits needed for pool building, dual zone. Look at that. Rowing equipment, exercise equipment, flows against you right there for swimming. You can do heating, you can do cooled, you could do retractable, but all these are in stock, ready to deliver. Guys, we are moving out. We have 5 days left, and we are making crazy deals happen. We have the outdoor kitchens. All the outdoor kitchens have started going to the other place. But if you're in the market for an outdoor kitchen, we have about 25 outdoor kitchens that were showroom, brand new, ready to go. Originally, we're like this one right here was $24,000 a piece with the waterfall. $13,000 right now, guys. If you are looking for an amazing deal, now is the time because we do not have more space at the other showroom. We're here for a couple days. New showroom is being built. Will be by appointment only. So you could drop a comment below or you can submit the form and one of our sales team members will give you a call. But now is the time. Guys, metal frame, walk-in hot tub. The place is a little bit in disarray, but I want you to take advantage of these discounts. Never again will you get a Dominican hot tub right there. That is a party tub, Dominican hot tub. Originally priced on this one was $22,900. This one was $19,000 in the showroom. Full sound system, everything you need, a USA acrylic, #1 Balboa system. Now, this one is like $11,000. So we have 75 hot tubs that we have to move so we don't have to put them outside. So we are giving it way below cost. We have about 6 swim spas that are left in stock that we can't fit. So I would rather give them away at cost or below cost. You're getting huge discounts. Metal frame, no insulation, LED corners. Guys, this is the biggest opportunity in your lifetime if you're in the market for a hot tub or a swim spa. Everything is fully loaded. Like I said, fully warranted, in stock, ready to go. Check out our website if you want to take a look at the kitchens or the models or the swim spas. But if we have it right now in stock, now is your opportunity. We have 0% interest financing with approved credit. We have 3.99% interest. And guys, we have one of the best financing opportunities around. So if you're in the market, give us a call. We have a couple days left. We can get it delivered right away. We have all parts in stock, and we will continue carrying all parts just because we're having this mega flash sale. This is a once in time. This is lower than any home and patio show, any expo we've ever done. This is the lowest pricing we've ever done. So you want to make sure you take that opportunity. We sold over 12 units last week, and those customers are going to absolutely crush it when they realize what the prices are going to be when we reopen the new location. So right here on Phillips Highway, we do ship nationwide. If you have any questions, give us a call. We had all the outdoor kitchens right there. They're on our website. If it's on our website in the showroom section, it is available. But we're out of here in a couple days, so take the opportunity and check it out. Give us a call. Drop your information, and we'll give you a call with any questions you have. But these swim spas are absolutely incredible. All in one, you can sink them into a cement moat. You could put a deck up to them. We had the tiki hut right there that we're still blown out of, but you saw our video a couple days ago. Any questions, let us know. Like I said, we do ship nationwide here on Phillips Highway, but once we're gone, we are gone from this location, but we have to get rid of these. So don't stop. If you have any questions, let us know. Hope to see you. And if you need more information, drop your information, and one of our team members will give you a call. We'll be by appointment only as we set up this next leg of our showroom. But we can lock these in. Once we move, the sale is going to end because we have to find either another warehouse or we're going to have to store these things outside, which we don't want to do. So now is the time. Time is the essence. Limited time offer. This is your moment to get something that is originally a $19,000 hot tub, $59,000 swim spa for pennies on the dollar. Brand new, never used. We have all delivery. We can get it to you, shipped nationwide. If you have any questions, let us know. Hope to see you soon. Hope to hear from you soon. And have a great day, guys. Bye.